Hello, as a part of digital system design course, I would like to introduce all the basic gates and digital integrated circuits. The logic gates, if you look into the logic gates, we have seven gates, basic gates are available. The first gate is the AND gate. So the AND gate symbol will look like this, and it will perform the logical multiplication operation. You can see the block here. So A, B are the inputs and X is the output. A and B will be logically multiplied and you will get result X. So the AND gate produces output logic 1 whenever both the inputs are 1. So that means if for two inputs you can apply four combinations like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. In those four combinations for both inputs 1, 1 case only the AND gate will produce output 1. And the Boolean expression for the AND gate is X is equal to A dot B. Similarly, OR gate symbol is this, and OR gate will do the logical addition operation, and the Boolean expression is X is equal to A plus B. So like that you can see the remaining gates like this NAND gate. NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. The logical symbol for the NAND gate is this, and this gate we call as the universal gate also. This gate as well as NOR gate we call as universal gate, because using these gates we can construct other gates. So the logical function and as well as not both are mixed in the NAND gate, and the expression Boolean expression is X is equal to A dot B whole bar. Similarly for NOR gate, this is the symbol OR plus NOT, and the expression is X is equal to A plus B whole bar. And this is the XOR gate. XOR gate will produce logic 1 as output when inputs are different. And the expression for the XOR gate is X is equal to A plus circle B. This can be written as AB bar plus A bar B. And we have XNOR gate. XNOR gate is exactly reverse of XOR gate. When both the inputs are when different inputs are there, then output will be 0, and for same inputs output will become 1. So the expression is X is equal to A plus circle B whole bar. And the final gate is NOT gate. NOT gate we call as a complementer and inverter. That means whatever input you give, output you will get exactly the complement value. The expression is X is equal to A bar. And today I will show you the pin diagram of the integrated circuits that are holding all these gates. The first IC that I am showing here is IC 7408, so which is a quad 2 input AND gate, which consisting of 4 AND gates in a single integrated circuit in IC, and it consisting of this IC consisting of 14 pins. Out of 14 pins, 2 pins will be used for ground and supply. The 14th pin is for supply and 7th pin is for ground. So except these 2 pins, the remaining pins are connected with the AND gate. You can see the symbol of AND gate. Here 1 and 2 are the one input and second input are the inputs for the AND gate. That means pin number 1, pin number 2 are the inputs for AND gate, and output is third pin. Similarly 4 and 5 are the inputs of AND gate, and 6th is the output. And similarly on the other side, 9th and 10th are the input pins and 8th is the output. Similarly 13th and 12th are the input pins and 11 is the output. That means in a single IC of 7408 we have 4 AND gates. Whenever you are constructing any logical circuit using integrated circuits, you can use this particular IC 7408 for the construction of logic with respect to AND gate. So the truth table is also given here, and this is the integrated circuit for OR gate. This is a quad 2 input OR gate integrated circuit IC. The IC number is 7432. So this also consisting of 4 OR gates in a single package, and each gate consisting of 2 inputs and 1 output. You can see the numbers, pin numbers of the OR gate. 1, 2 are the inputs, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output, 10 9 input, 8 output, 13 12 input, 11 output. Similar to the AND gate package, this OR gate package also consisting of similar pins for inputs as well as the outputs. The truth table you can see here. Whenever both inputs are 0, then only output is 0. For remaining all cases, output is 1. And the next IC is the 7400 NAND gate, quad 2 input NAND gate. So which also consisting of this IC also consisting of 4 gates, NAND gates in it, and the corresponding input as well as outputs you can see for the NAND gate. So NAND gate function is y is equal to a dot b whole bar. So whenever both inputs are 1, then only output is 0. For remaining all cases, output is 1. So whenever you are going to construct any circuit, logical circuit, you can use these ICs based on the corresponding numbers, and by connecting to appropriate pins, and you will use that function. So the next gate is the 7402, which is a NOR gate. NOR gate IC 7402 also consisting of 4 NOR gates in a single package, but IC numbers will be different for input and output. IC pin numbers are different for input and output. Here 2 3 are the inputs, 1 is the output, 5 6 are input, 4 is the output, 8 9 are the inputs, 10 is the output, 11 12 are the inputs, 13 is the output. Whenever you are constructing circuit using this particular IC, you should understand the pin diagram and the proper pin numbers. Then only you can connect the things in a proper way and you can execute. And the logic function is y is equal to a plus b bar. And the next gate is the XOR gate. XOR gate pin number is 7486, and the construction of the pins you can see here. 1 2 is input, 3 output, 4 5 input, 6 output. It is similar to the AND gate and OR gate as per the pin numbers are concerned for input and output. And the logic function of this particular XOR gate is A plus circle B. That means whenever different inputs are there, output is 1. Whenever same inputs are there, output is 0. And the next gate is quad 2 input XNOR gate. This IC number is 74266. So here also you can see in a single IC package 4 XNOR gates are there, and these are the corresponding inputs and outputs. Whenever you are making connection, take care regarding the pin numbers and do the proper connection. And coming to the last gate is the NOT gate, and this NOT gate IC number is 7404. This IC consisting of 6 NOT gates, because for NOT gate only one input and one output will be there. Here in the 7404, first pin is the input, second pin is the output, third is the input, fourth is the output, fifth is the input, sixth is the output. Like that, the pin numbers for inputs and as well as outputs you can see. The function is y is equal to a bar. Whatever input you will give, output you will get the complement. So by knowing all these 7 gates, 7 ICs corresponding to the logic gates, we can use these ICs in the circuit construction. So by giving supply to the 4th pin and by giving ground at the 7th pin, the remaining pins as per the pin configuration, we can use these ICs in the circuit construction and we can verify the functionality of that particular circuit.